Roblox. Let them know who you is, man. Alright. So another day, another dog show. We got Big Zai with us. You know what I'm saying? And he ready to go. We on the road. We always working, man. You ready? You ready? Let's go. He wanna take the wheel today. Okay, though. Big Zai. Big Zai. What's up, Roblox? That's the name, huh? Roblox? What's up, Roblox? That nigga hard. What's up, bro? Let them know who you is, man. But yeah, we got goddamn Roblox in the building. You heard me? What the other one is?
I don't even know where they took that.
Bro coming with straight pressure.
Lady Exotic Kennel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What you brought out today?
Rope dealer?
What's down with it?
You already know.
Shout your name out, man. Shout your name out.
Exotic lifestyle, feel me? Got the man
What you brought out today? Rope dealer. Finally got to see him in person, man. That nigga hard. And compact, huh?
I'm on some dog business today.
Yes, sir. Big rope dealer. Yes, sir. Lens work, you hear me?
The biggest.
Yes, sir. That nigga hard. Yes, sir. Lock in with my guy, man. You want to tell him stuff, B?
2,500, 5 kick, 500 lock in.
Man. 500 lock in, man. Get him my guy lens work. All the big ropes, all the big ropes. What the hell is that? That's how he inflips right there.
How you doing?
What's up with it, man? Good with you, huh? Oh, that man knocked out, huh?
Oh, yeah. Ready to work right now. Good night, baby.
Like ball, man. What that is?
Big rope.
That's a hairless.
Chunk.
Huh? 2 months? It's okay for turn?
That's ball, man.
Yeah, locked in with him. Yeah,
Ball, man?
Yeah. BG had locked in with him.
That nigga
He
nice.
went to Miami, but BG had left with a fucking Rob. I know, like,
Got another hairless. Alright. Big Zai. incredible wings. Some of the best dog show food I ever had though. Most people, they do bullshit food. What is it, Great Dane? Great Dane?
Number
Great
5,
Dane? Y'all got a kennel name? Got a kennel name?
Yeah, Black Barn Kennels.
Black Bar?
Yeah, Black Barn.
Black Barn?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. That guy big, man. What's his name?
Apollo.
Apollo, huh?
Yeah.
What's up? What's going on? All that, I can put this nigga in the show. What's her name? What would her name be? I know, I like that one too.
Would that be considered stacking when he was
Feel like they're showing off. Look how she looking at her bone. My girl says he VIP, he don't need to be in no show, you know? You got the curls for the girls. Yeah, the curls for the girls. Let's see.
Smallest pink carrier in the building. Level 1 sold. Yeah, no tail. No tail. That's for chocolate.
Festival too. And the curls for the girls. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you.
You already know Mike Amiri. Shout out to High End,
Mike
man.
Amiri.
Mike Amiri, Urban
See
Big.
him in person. That nigga hard.
High End Fluffy King. Should have brought him out.
Somebody smell like that. Good shit.
Stand him up, then. Don't let him sit now. Don't let him sit.
do a video. We want to how y'all pull up to the show? My family and friends, they came from all this stuff. They broke away with not one, not two, maybe 3 or 4 of them. But that's how y'all come to a show. This is where you can tell that's the family and friends and only the family here. Let's go!
Shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to High End.
They got male and female now. Make sure he announces this on tour. You know, I gotta stay on top of him. Clear the stage, clear the stage.
We got Nino in this bitch. What kind of dog is this? Chow Chow? That nigga hard.
Clear the stage, clear the stage.
bust them up. Bust them up. You know, let's see the stack and keep.
I need a cleanup.
You gotta pull the best in show out, man. You got to. You gotta pull the best in show out. Man, that nigga nice.
Let me see Rambo next, Aaron.
There's bars on that nigga.
Hey, stay.
He look a little bigger on Instagram there, but nah, he's small as fuck.
Matter of fact, let me get him on the floor. Let me get him on the floor.
All right.
That bitch going to freak out again.
Best in show, man. Best in show. That nigga hard. Yes, sir.
17 months.
17 months.
Yeah.
What's your killer name?
Try forever Kennels, man.
Out of Lafayette, Louisiana. Lafayette, Louisiana.